guys, welcome back to our channel EMCIQ, as known as Edutainment Classes. Guys, today we will learn disable versus enable. Means we are going to learn difference between disable and enable. So disable and enable are vocabularies of the week. So guys, we are going to learn it. So let's start. Disable. What is the meaning of disable? Disable means we are not able to do something by physically. We are disabled by physics. There is a sentence Nicholas James which is disabled. You are able to watch this picture that he is not having no arms, no legs. So he is disabled by physics. But he is not disabled mentally. He is an vast inspirational for the world. He always tells that the greatest disability is not having no arms, no legs. The greatest disability is our mind. Here he wants to tell that physical disability is not a disease we can do while having it. So he is not disabled mentally. He is very strong by mental strength. He is very well known personality of the world as motivational speaker. So here we came to know that what is the meaning of disabled. Disabled means we are not able by physically or we are disabled physically. Okay, next we are going to learn about unable. Unable, what is the meaning of it? Unable means we keep ourselves disabled. Okay, unable means there is so many things for doing, but we can't do that things because we are not skilled about it. So there is sentence current generation is unable to think due to having no dreams. Means it is indicating that if we don't have dreams, we are unable to think about something. Yes, it is reality, it is right. Because we don't have dream, we can't plan about future for what we plan. And second sentence, there are so many things in world for doing, but we are unable to do all the things because there is a wrestling and we are not powerful and we are not having strength to do fighting, so we can't do this thing. There is we are unable. And here officers can't do everything which should be doing. Okay, due
Every
to
officer tells
pressure of government orders, political parties. We all people know this thing that every office that I have a dream to change our country. I have dream to change our corruption system. So we have known this thing, we have listened about it, but they are unable to change this thing because they don't have power due to government's order and political system. Okay, there is a picture of gun. He is shooting gun. Okay, do you think you can do this thing? No, I am thinking that I can't do this thing because I am not skilled about it. Yes, I can do, but I can't do perfectly because I am not skilled about it. Okay, guys, so what is the meaning of unable? Unable means we are not able to do that things that we are not skilled about. Then we can't do something. Till then, bye bye. We will meet again. And last but not the least, if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and stay connected to us. Thank you so much.